Sweta and this is my channel Sweta's Beauty and Lifestyle. This is an everyday 5-minute makeup routine. You can try it for your office or outing. This is done only by using 5 products. You can try it in just 5 minutes. If you are interested in this look, then please keep on watching. As this is an everyday makeup routine, we're gonna step out with this makeup, so sunscreen is essential. And I'm here using Neutrogena Sheer Zinc in 50. I'm applying it all over my face evenly. And after applying sunscreen properly all over my face, I'm going to take LA Girl Pro Concealer in Pure Base and apply it over my dark circle and spots where I have some problems over my skin, and I'm going to blend it with my concealing brush from BS Mall. You don't need to make it a sheer coverage. You want a daily everyday makeup routine like your own skin. You don't want to look made up, so you can just blend it properly so that it won't show up. Take a little time while concealing your concealer because it's gonna look cakey if you are not going to do it properly. And after concealing with the brush, I'm going to take the flat brush and quickly overdo with it so that if any harsh line is there, it will disappear. And after that, I am taking Technique Color Correcting Powder. This is more of a setting powder. And as our concealer is still wet, we don't need to blend it. We just need to tap over the concealer so that it will set properly. After setting our face with this Technique Color Correcting Powder, do not forget your neck. And I am going to take Technique Mega Blush Palette. And I'm taking this orange shade from it, and as my face is bulky, I am taking it as a contour and a blush too. So I'll quickly make a line in my inner cheek and put it over my cheek too, and I'm applying same blush over my eyelid so that it will give me a fresh and dewy look. And you don't need to be overhyped with this eyeshadow. You just need to put it a little color on your eyelid. Now I am taking this 3-in-1 angle pencil from Miniso for my eyebrows in dark brown, and I am just overlining my eyebrows and filling it roughly so that it will give a natural finish, not like a proper made up eyebrow. I just need a natural finish in my eyebrows, so I quickly just fill in it with the pencil corner, and it have brush also, so I'm just applying that brush over it for the proper finish. And this spoolie is really nice, so you don't need any other brush. You just need this 3-in-1 pencil for an everyday look, and it's really great at a very low price. After doing my eyebrows, now I am going to apply my lipstick. This lipstick is from Milani, a more matte lipstick in shade Fling. I love this lipstick. It's so nude and for everyday look. You can take any color you want. If your favorite is red or pink, then you can surely go for it. But I love this lipstick on a daily basis. And now I am going to take my favorite mascara from Palladio Double Agent, and I'm going to quickly give a coat to my mascara. You can see the difference between this eye and this eye. This looks so much lift up than the other with just one coat. You can apply as much as coat as you want. The more volume you want, the more coat you can put on. And I also love to put those mascara on my lower lash line also, so that it will give a awake look to my eyes on a daily basis. But if you keep on smudging your eyes, then you can avoid putting it on your lower lash. And after opening my head, final look I created. You can easily create get it at your home by using only 5 products, and the products I used are really affordable and easily available everywhere. You can try it at your home, and I'll keep the link below so that you can buy it for yourself. And please do try it at your home and like, share and subscribe.